Hi everyone, it is Monday. I'm kicking off Outfit of the Week. It is 7:40 in the morning and I think I can start doing these once again because the light is coming out earlier. As many of you know, I'm an early riser. I go to the gym at 5, I come home, take a shower, and I start my workday around 8:10 in the morning. So what am I wearing today? This sweater, I decided to wear it because I recently watched What Jill Wears over the weekend and she got this sweater in her box. I purchased this sweater from Freestyle Stitch Fix. It's Le Serene or Serene, I don't know how you say the name. She did not keep hers. She styled hers with a graphic tee. Graphic tees aren't my jam. I think I styled this before with a camisole, but I decided today to style it with this sleeveless turtleneck that I got from J. Crew like a long time ago, 2018. This sweater, I'm letting you know, is a kind of a thick, heavy sweater. It's, obviously a little bit oversized, typically not my style, but I thought it was fun, different, and I like adding different things to my closet. I've worn these jeans many times for you guys before. They're from Cut the Cloth. They got the little side patches here for pockets in the front. Love them. And I have on my cognac booties. And this is what I wore today. All right, stay tuned. I have no idea what I'm going to be wearing tomorrow, so I'll have to figure it out tonight. Take care until tomorrow. Hi everyone, it is Tuesday and we got our first snowfall of the season. Fortunately, it didn't stick to any roads. It's just a pretty dusting outside, but it was a little bit unexpected, at least for me. And I was channeling spring today when I picked out my outfit last night. Other news, Coco Bunny seems to be making a recovery. The vet indicated that he had liver disease, liver damage, but he seems to be acting fine, eating well, pooping well, so all is good. The only complaint I have is I have to continue giving him this antibiotic because he also, in addition to the liver damage, seemed to have some sort of infection, and he fights me on it. So I have to film early in the morning because I'll have this pink sticky antibiotic bunny fur all over me after I try and give him his dose. So what am I wearing today? So I am wearing a cropped cardigan from Astor the Label that has these pretty little delicate flowers embroidered in with these little rhinestones throughout. It has the button down style. It is cropped. I do have a cami on underneath. I probably don't need that cami. I chose to keep it buttoned, but I agree, it's a little snug, all right? But we're going with it. What did I pair it with? Well, I paired it with these pink pull-on old lady capris. I had these since probably circa 2018. I got them from Stitch Fix in one of my first stitches. And I thought they were a good pull-on pant that's comfy for the office that I can wear in the spring. So as you can see, they're the cropped or capri length, whatever you want to call them. They have the snap buttons down here which do open up. The only reason I haven't purged these is because they're not as skinny. If these were skinny and skin tight around my calves, I probably would have purged them. But I am not purging them because they have a little bit of looseness here, and the material overall is very stretchy and comfortable, and they're not killing my calves. They do have real working pockets in the front and the faux pockets here in the back. Why am I saying this to you? Because I've seen these floating around Stitch Fix's inventory. They're the tribal pull-on trousers. So you just gotta kind of have to look for them and look. I think they're called bottom snap. If I remember, no promises, I'll try and find them and link them to you in the description down below. And my shoes are my trusty loafers, which I think are really great for this time of year when I'm trying to channel in spring, but obviously it's too cold outside to wear any kind of sandal. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another outfit. Hi everybody, today is Wednesday and it is hump day. So what's going on with me? So yesterday I was at work. As most of you know, I work from home and I was on the computer nonstop all day, meeting after meeting after meeting. Plus I had to get work done. I was just wiped at the end of the day. And today I got up, went to my 5 a.m. gym class as normal. It was a very difficult workout. oh my God, 300 body weight exercises. I almost rode 2,000 meters and did 1.9 miles. And I am wiped and I'm ready for bed. And I'm afraid I have another day of meetings and a lot of work that I got to get done. So, what am I wearing today for this? Yesterday I mentioned that we got a little snow. It melted very quickly. We have no snow, but Mother Nature decided it wants to give us winter now. So I'm back to the warmer sweaters again. So I have on this loft cardigan. I'll come close so you can see some of the colors in it. And then I'll stand back so you can actually see the sweater. So it's just like one of the cropped grandpa style sweaters. With it, I have paired a pair of black Democracy Ponte knit pants. Now, when I first got these pants, I believe I got them from a trunk club in 2020 when I still thought I was going to the office, and I said, oh, these would be good, comfortable black work pants. They were a pull-on style, completely stretchy. You can see it comes way out because there's so much stretch. There is a belt around it and a fake zipper. There's no zipper there. It's just like the seam over. And it does have pockets in front. But this is like a ponte knit. And these have been sitting in my closet because I'm like, they're black pants. Why am I going to wear black pants? You know, I have a casual lifestyle. Then I said to myself last night when I was looking, I said, let me wear this sweater. I haven't worn it in a while. What pants to wear with it? I'm getting kind of sick of jeans. I said, these are ponte knit. Why am I not wearing them? They're even more comfortable than jeans. They're not, stiff work pants. So I'm kind of happy I pulled these out and put them on. They have the faux pockets here in back. And again, they're by Democracy. I mean, it was 2020, I think, when I got them. But, check around. You never know. Maybe you find them on Poshmark or whatever. So I really like these. They're very comfortable, and they look like a dress pant. They have like a slim straight leg cut, which I like. As long as it's not like stuck to my calf and squishing my ankle, I'm good. And I'm wearing them with my black loafer mules by Franco Sarto, which I ordered from a Stitch Fix. And that is my outfit for today. See you tomorrow for the next day's outfit. Hi everyone, today it is Thursday. It was my rest day from the gym. I slept till 6 o'clock, which is so late and it felt so good. So today, what am I wearing? I decided to pull out one of my blouses. So as many of you know, I'm working from home and I don't go into an office anymore, and my blouses have been neglected. And I was feeling sorry for them. So I looked in there and I said, I haven't worn this one in a while. So this one's like a dusty lilac or lavender kind of color. It's like a combination between gray and lavender, I guess, with some black and white florals. It has the ruffle down here with pleating. It has the fun bell sleeves. I'll back up so you can see it better. I have it tucked into a pair of, I believe these are Pistola black denim that I got from a Stitch Fix. I do like these denim, they're comfortable, but I do have some issues with them. One, the zipper pulls just a teeny bit. Two, they're a little bit lower than I would like. I would like them a little bit higher. And three, they're a little bit too short. So I kind of do regret purchasing these. But I actually got rid of all my other black denim and a lot of my gray denim too, because I really didn't like the fit of those anymore. They were skinny style, they were tight around my calves, they weren't fully a full mid-rise, they might have been a little bit of low-rise. So I purged all those, and these are the ones that remain. So I am on the hunt for some more black jeans. I'm not going to get rid of these just yet. So, this is what I'm wearing today. And I'm not so sure I'm going to buy the black jeans this season. They might wait till next season, since we're coming up where I'm going to start pulling out more white jeans soon. And, I paired it with my Vince Camuto little booties. Oh, and I wanted to go some bling today. This is a Swarovski necklace, and yes, it's pretty dressy, big medallion. And my recent purchase of these Argento Vivo earrings from Nordstrom, and that is my outfit for today. Okay, take care. See you tomorrow for another day of styling outfits. Hi everyone, it is Friday. Yay! I'm so happy it's Friday. I've had a very rough week at work. For those that do work at home, not everybody said, people have this image of you working at home and you're doing laundry and you maybe do a few things on the computer. It doesn't work that way. I was chained to my computer this whole week, meeting after meeting, couldn't get up to use the bathroom. and honestly couldn't eat. And when I ended up going to my nutritionist this week, I was down 3 pounds, which is too much for my size. I mean, if I'm going to lose a little weight, it would be like a pound, and I don't need to lose that much. So the nutritionist was quite concerned. She's like, "You haven't been eating?" I'm like, "Yeah, I haven't." And it wasn't like I wanted not to eat. It's just been work has been killing me lately. So I am extremely happy this day is over, or not over, it's just started, but I'm extremely happy this week is over and this is Friday. So, and I have to get my nutrition back on track. And for me, nutrition also means just eating healthy, and eating the proper amounts of food. So between the bunny last week and my work job this week, I've been all screwed up. So I'm back to my normal gym routine. Was there at 5 a.m., killer workout, inclines at running, and went straight from there, came home, took a shower, went to my nutritionist, went food shopping, and it's now 7:45. I have 15 minutes to do this video and to eat my breakfast. So enough said. What am I wearing today? Well, I'm wearing an outfit kind of like I've worn before, or like combinations I've worn before, but a little bit different. So I have on my navy blue moto, and as many of you know, I like this moto. And many of you know, I like it paired with this berry color. So, excuse my bra, let's fix that. So this top is from Stitch Fix. I got this top probably 2020 during the pandemic. It is a Stitch Fix name brand. I forget which one. It's like a polyester and stretchy knit. It's very comfortable. Again, it's one of those tops that I don't wear that often because I'm more into the sweater type of mode now. But I looked at it, I'm like, I like this color. And originally I said, well, what am I going to wear this with? I said, let's wear it with my gray jeans from White House Black Market that have the little embellishment down here like a tuxedo and a little bit of rhinestone. And then I said, well, if I'm going to wear the navy blue moto, I better pair it with my navy blue booties. So that is what I'm wearing today. I just threw my watch on because I literally showered, threw the watch on, went to the nutritionist, went food shopping, came back. So, and it's 7:45, so I've done all that before 8 a.m. So that is what I'm wearing today. So you've seen the navy blue in this plum color before, but you've seen it with a sweater. So this is with like a knit top that's sleeveless. And instead of pairing it with a pair of blue jeans, I did gray jeans and again, my navy boots. And that is what I'm wearing today. See you tomorrow for another outfit. Hi everybody, it is Saturday and my daughter arrived home from college from spring break last night. She left her bag on the bus and we had to end up chasing the bus 2 to 3 miles down the highway at 10 p.m. at night in the rain. And after honking and high beams, the bus driver finally got a clue and pulled over and we were able to retrieve her bag. So welcome back to my daughter. Today it is a yucky, rainy day. We're also getting some snow mixed in with this rain, but it's not sticking. It's a little bit too warm for it to stick, so it's just sloppy. And that kind of explains why I chose this outfit. So today I am wearing an oversized jacket. And if you've been following me any time, I'm not a huge oversized fan. I feel that they swallow up my body and just like overwhelm me. But you kind of need a piece or two like this in your wardrobe for days like today. So I'm just hanging around the house. I did take my daughter out to the diner for breakfast, but other than that, I'm filming and I'm shopping. This is by Thread & Supply. I got it from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I think 2 anniversary sales. It's super soft, like a fleece material, nice and thick and warm. And even though it was snowing / raining, I was able to run outside from the parked car to the diner without having an actual coat on it. I just wore this and I was actually fine. Got a little wet, not too bad. With it, I have paid this Ever Eve top. I know that this Ever Eve top is made by Chaser. It's just a Henley long sleeve ribbed. I'll come closer so you can see the ribbing. All right, in this, and it has snap placket instead of like buttons. And with it, I have paired my Vigos jeans that are my other gray jeans I own. These are very distressed. I love these jeans. I got these from a Stitch Fix. They're so comfortable, so comfy jeans. And I put on my waterproof H2O castor booties that I also got from a Stitch Fix. So yeah, I mean, I got some, name brands, before I started shopping Stitch Fix in any of the boxes, Nordstrom, I never heard of Thread & Supply. I never even heard of Chaser or Ever Eve, never heard of Vigos, I never heard of Dolce Vita, believe it or not. I certainly heard of, like, you know, White House Black Market and Loft, Sam Edelman, Vince Camuto, you know, things, name brands like those that I would see in my local stores. But until I actually started doing style boxes, I never heard of them. What else am I going to be doing today? And I was hoping you guys can help me in the comments below. I got a coupon for White House Black Market for $30 off. So if you guys have any ideas what I should get, I noticed Laura from Little Box of Happy got some things in azalea, and I like that color. So I'm gonna have to see what else they got. I don't think I necessarily want the blazer she has, but that color is just absolutely gorgeous. Let's see. I also got an email from Nordstrom, the store, offering me a $50 off if I do styling with the store up in North Jersey again. Any of you have watched my previous video. I did that, I think it was last summer or the summer of last summer, I think it was. I did a style session with them and it was not successful, but this time they offered it virtually as well. So I could do it either in-store or virtually. I will try them to get $50 off to do it virtually. Plus I have $20 in Nordstrom notes. So if any of you have any ideas what I should get either at White House Black Market or Nordstrom, or give me an idea what I should tell the stylist at Nordstrom to get what I want. And lastly, I have that $20 in Star Rewards from Macy's because I ended up returning those sparkle booties. So what should I spend that on? Give me some ideas in the comments below. All right, take care, everyone. Have a good week and see you next week for another week of styling.